Hello, all my lovely sunflowers. If you'd like to see how I achieve this super easy top knot bun, stay tuned. Prior to doing this style, my hair was already stretched and blown out, so it was easy to get it up into a top knot bun, but it's still kind of hard. I had a lot of trial and error trying to get it as far as the top of my head. So don't be discouraged because I did it like 1,000 times. See, I almost got it, and nope, don't got it no more. Like, I was so, oh my gosh, frustrated. Okay, your girl finally got her ponytail, and all I'm gonna do is just twist it into my own little ball and put a ponytail around it. Now I'm going to take some beeswax and then smooth it in with my fingers and my hand and then put it on my hair. This is my first time actually putting this on my hair to make it smooth. I saw someone on YouTube do it and it looked pretty cool, so I just wanted to try it. And it just kind of makes it look a little slick and shiny. That's the only cool part about it. Other than that, like, it doesn't really do much, but that's what I used. So you could just use like Eco Styler gel if that works best for you. And I'm just taking another scrunchie to like tighten my ponytail because I didn't like the looseness of it. And with more product, I'm gonna try to lay my hair as slick as possible. Now we're about to lay some edges, and I'm just using Eco Styler gel for right now, and then I usually go over it with Got To Be gel. goes the got to be, and I'm just gonna use that and just go over it because it just gives me a better hold with my edges. Like literally nothing works for me. Well, I haven't really tried some of everything, but like no edge control works for me. So I just use Eco Styler gel and put a little bit got to be, put a scarf on, boom. Holds perfect for me. Now I'm just gonna put my scarf on and lay down and go to bed. This is just one pack of Marley braid hair, and as you can see, I'm taking a little scrunchie and just putting it through the middle and looping it through, and that'll make the basically ponytail thing for you. And you'll just take that and put it over the ball that you made, and then you'll just leave it like that and you look like a baddie. I'm just joking. You'll take one side because it's split down the middle, and you'll just twist and wrap it around and tuck it while you're twisting and wrapping at the same time. And then you'll take the other side. Once you're done twisting that side, you'll take the other side and you'll do the same thing, but you'll do it the other way than what you just twisted the other. And you'll just twist and tuck and twist and tuck. Just make the top knot, just make the bun tight. Now I'm going in with some hairpins, and I'm just going to secure that bun to make sure it doesn't fall off on me, because that'll be ugly. And you're basically done. Like, look at me. It was so easy. That's the cool part about it. And here are a few accessory looks. Headband, you know. Then I just added some string around it just to jazz it up a bit. But this is how I actually wore it. I put a little clips in it just to be a little extra. This was my final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.